Probably a lot of you guys out there that want their cabinets to be a little bit more modern or a little bit, well, not like that. I mean, if anything dates a house, it has to be paneling or it has to be woods, especially older wood. We're gonna cover how to turn a kitchen that looks like this into a kitchen that looks like this.
The door has, it's a foam roller, not a regular roller.
How long does it take for the primer to dry?
It takes about 4 to 5 hours. Doesn't take as long for the top coat.
And based on your research, this primer sticks to...
It sticks to pretty much all finishes, including varnish, so it prevents the whole sanding step. So I'm going to get all the tops done, and then I'm going to come back with the brush and get a nice line going there. If I had a flat brush, I would be able to do that. My favorite brand of brush is Purdy. It's about $5 more brush, but compared to the amount of labor involved, it's nothing. So in this case, I left the hinges on. Now, that meant I had to paint around them. It meant I got a little bit of paint on some of the hinges, but when you take hinges off, first of all, you got to number all the hinges, and then also they never go on quite the same way they were on originally, and it's just a ton of work. So some cases I got a little bit of paint on them, I'll scrape some of that off, but to me, leaving the hinges on is much easier. 23 times 4.
100 doors?
It's 100 sides.
100 sides.
23 times 4, it's...
So
Better off.
It's 92.
I'm gonna find my way tonight. Way tonight.
This is not a good one.
So these sawhorses help out?
Yeah, just gotta get a little bit of a production line going. Each side. That's why you were looking at it.
What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart beat faster? Showing up. Don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Better off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Way tonight. What makes this heart beat faster?
All right, so multiple days later, I'm not sure how many doors, maybe 96 doors on each side. Suzanne painted all of the doors. I helped maybe a little bit with the hardware and hanging the doors back up. The doors were painted flat, and then they were put back on. Obviously the primer coat went on, and then there was a whole process of getting the doors back on and putting them back up. So it was a lot of going up and down from the basement. It rained a couple of days, so we couldn't work outside. So it was pretty challenging. So all in all, comparatively what it has, it looks like it's like a ton like way more modern, way more to date than with before, so it was absolutely worth it. It was a total of a half gallon of primer and a half gallon of this base. So this house looks a lot fresher.